Hi friends, this is Shayanti and you are welcome to Big Basket Lifestyle. Like you can see, I am all decked up for Valentine's and I'm sure you would also want to impress your date when you are going for that Valentine special. So today I thought I'm going to show you how you can make your Valentine's date night look even more special. So here's how to do it. If you feel you have dark circles or some concerns around your eye area, you can use a little bit of concealer to hide them. So using my fingers, I'm going to apply it. The focus of this look is the eyes, and you want the eyes of your Valentines to be on you. So you want to make sure that your eyes look really beautiful. I would suggest that opt for a shimmery base which is in the shade of silver or maybe a hint of lilac, which is trending currently, and it will look really beautiful. So taking it on your fingers, you can start with the upper eyelids. Next, brush out the lashes with mascara. If you want, you can rim your eyes with a kajal as well. If you want to define your eyes further, you can use eyeliner. It can be in the shade of brown if you like, or black. I already have blush on my face, so I'm going to finish this look with a lip color which is in the shade of red but with a hint of shimmer in it. If you like this look, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below what compliments you got from your Valentines. For more such videos, stay tuned to this channel by subscribing. Thank you.